All right, this is a Red Lord Parrot hanging from this rafter here. Come on, say something, Petey. Petey, say something. Talk. Pretty Petey Parrot. Talk to me. Pretty Petey Parrot.
And it's rare?
Yeah, he's the rarest parrot in the whole world. He's from the Amazon jungle.
And how long's it been alive?
He's 27 years old. He'll live to be about 80 human years.
Is that what a typical parrot is?
No, not most of them.
Just a stout bird.
Well,
Breed.
yeah, I guess it's this kind of parrot.
Right.
Amazon birds. Because I'm not for sure how long the African greys live or any of that. Now let's start broadcasting. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Now what's it standing? Is that its food?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's crackers.
That's all crackers?
No, I got, there's bird seed underneath there, and we got sunflower seeds in
bird
there.
seed over there and bird seed back there.
And water, and
Right.
we got plenty to eat.
There's a rawhide bone?
Yeah.